Today we're going to be making a smoothie. And it's going to be with pineapples, pears, and blueberries. And then we're going to be using my beautiful mom's blender. And we're going to be using milk too.
Okay, so you guys, we're gonna go ahead and make this smoothie. It's a very, very simple smoothie. So we have the blueberries, the frozen blueberries, of course. We try our best to go ahead and get organic. So we do have the wild berry blueberries. Yeah. Then we have frozen pineapples, and then we have pears. And also we have a plant-based milk, you guys. Right, Amara? Okay, so we're gonna be cutting up them pears. We're gonna show you how we're gonna cut them up to put in our blender. Go, Amara. Go, Amara. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna be cutting this pear. So Amara's just learning how to use a knife. So go ahead, Amara. I'm gonna let her cut just a little piece of the pear because the pears are a little softer. And I always tell her to protect her fingers. Okay, that's enough for me, you guys. I'm gonna, she did a good job. You did a good job, baby, but I get a little nervous. So I'm gonna have to figure out a plan on this one. But yeah, so we're just gonna cut up the pears and we shall return to go ahead and blend them up. I'm sorry, you guys. I just get a little nervous about the cutting up the stuff. I kind of just try my best to give them as much leeway as possible, but certain things, as far as cutting up harder items, is hard for me to kind of let go. But yeah, I'll be there in a second. But anyways, I'm gonna cut this up and we shall be return. We're gonna cut up all the pears and then she's gonna load them into the blender for you guys, and you're gonna see how the consistency of this smoothie is. Alrighty, we'll be back. So we are back, you guys. So Amara is gonna do her thing with this smoothie. Such a beautiful tasting smoothie. Okay, Amara, let's start loading this on up. Load up that baby.
So we're going to take the
top
off.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
Then we're going to put the blueberries in.
Yep. So she's putting all the fruit at the very bottom of the blender. There is a reason for that. Again, everything does sink to the bottom, but yeah.
Let's sneak one.
Oh my goodness. All right, you didn't have to do all that, but all right. See, guys, she is about it. Okay, get all that goodness in there, girl. Okay. Okay.
We need to get all those blueberries in so it can taste good.
You having a little problem there?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all right. It's just a couple that's left. So she's gonna do the pineapples.
Pineapples. Let's sneak one.
Okay, frozen pineapples. We have frozen blueberries. So there you go. This is so easy for them to go ahead and do on their own. And now she's gonna go ahead and take care of them. What you gonna take care of, Amara?
Pears.
The pears, okay. Go, Amara.
One.
Go, Amara. Go, Amara. Ooh, let them babies roll. I see your work. Okay. And now we're just gonna upload all of that. Well, we use almond milk. She's just pouring it all in this little container that I use for our milk and put it in the door of our fridge. You think that's enough, Amara? Or you want to just keep on going? Think that's enough?
Yeah.
Okay. Close it on up. And yes, start rolling. She's so excited. Okay. Okay. So we start our blender very low, and then we eventually go ahead and bring it up. So you can see everything is like a little tornado, and we are just blending. You're so silly. All right, you want to bring it back up, Amara? Okay, what are you doing? You gotta hold the top. Yes, I teach you to hold the top because I won't tell you guys the high speed blender be the high speed blender, okay? That's all I gotta say. That boat ain't no joke, and sometimes things just go flying. So you gotta have some control, for sure. Okay, Mom, I'll see your work. I see it. Everything is mixed up and blended up. Bring it to the highest level, Amara. Alrighty, girl. I ain't even have to tell you. You know what the deal is. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. I'm gonna bring it back down. Okay. All right, so we're gonna be back to get you some taste testing going on. All right, let me just grab them glasses. Was that too exhausting to you? Cause you look like you tired.
No.
No. Okay. Ooh.
Definitely not, guys. Really, definitely not.
Yeah, it's something simple to do. They've been doing it for such a long time. It's just, you know, they just need me to cut up the pears, and they make attempts, but all the frozen fruit. All the fruits come up frozen, so you can actually buy frozen pears. Alrighty, we'll be back. All right, so Amara's gonna go ahead and do what? Pour it. So we're gonna show you the consistency. She's putting everything to the side, just as I taught her. Oh, that's beautiful, Amara.
This is for my mom.
Yeah, I just want a little small cup, you guys. Go ahead, make it happen, little girl. Okay. You see how it looks. Okay, that looks good. So she's gonna pour it. Be easy. See how smooth them blueberries came out. The pears just look like, it just makes everything so smooth. Like seriously, I don't know what it is, but the consistency of pears just makes everything look so nice and so smooth and so together. Y'all can tell I'm in love with this whole vegan journey that we got going on. Okay, Amara. I see your work. Okay, so Amara, which one you want?
Any.
Okay, which one you gonna drink all of it? Let's put it like that.
This one.
Which one? Okay, so this is mine?
Yeah.
Okay, and we'll pour some for Kanza later. All right, so Amara, come on, taste test it, baby girl. Really good. What do you taste? Let us know.
Pears, mostly.
For sure. Yeah. Absolutely. A distinguished taste. Those pears are really pop on this drink.
The blueberries.
You taste the blueberries, yeah. And the sweetness of that what?
Pineapple.
Oh yeah, for sure. And I think, be honest with you guys, like they've been eating and drinking like this for such a long time. I think if I would have made the smoothie and had them guess what's in it, she would have passed the test with like flying colors, for real. And I mean, she really would have known exactly what is inside the smoothie. She's enjoying it, as you can see. Listen, I get all these little comments and just in general, overall, you know, these kids are really loving the way that they eat. There's like no forcing them to eat this stuff. I go, food shopping, and half of the time I can't even bring them because they got my cart up to the rim, and I just love it. I just really love it. But okay, alrighty, say bye to your fans, Amara.
Bye. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell down there
all day long. Alrighty, see y'all.